He can rebound the ball.
You know, I said that in game 2 when you took the night off.
Curry, meanwhile, throws it in.
A lot of young teams think you're always going to get back. You don't know what is going to happen. Durant and Westbrook probably thought they were going to get back to the finals.
Clark on the drive, flips it up and in. Clark's done a nice job off the bench, averaging about 8 points a game so far in these playoffs. West looking, finds Draymond Green, and he throws it down. Curry, Gobert helps him out. Pass inside Iguodala, JaVale McGee with a flush. Into the fall. Here comes Draymond Green. Green lobs it up, and Iguodala throws it down. Beautiful pass from Draymond Green. Durant, three-pointer. It's good. Kevin Durant from downtown. 34 points, and the lead balloons to 8. Timeout Utah. Excellent young Jazz team. Getting some unbelievable playoff experience. Curry steps back, knocks down the three-pointer. Steph Curry again.